Hey guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Blackthorn Stick. This one's an Irish jig, 6/8 time. A great one for beginners. I teach all my beginner banjo students this one. So yeah, I'm going to break it down. There's an A section and a B section. We'll do the A section shortly. Just before we get going any further, if you're interested in one-to-one lessons, I teach online via Zoom, Microsoft Teams. There'll be a link in the description. Head on over to my website, get in contact if you want to do one-on-one online. But yeah, just going to start with the A section here. So I'll play through first and then I'll break it down bar by bar. Here we go. So that's the A section. I'm going to play it a lot slower. I'll break it down. Starts off with this pickup bar here. So this D note, then bar 1, G, F sharp, G, E, G, E. Bar 2, D, B, G, A, G, E. Bar 3, D, G, G, F sharp, G, A. Bar 4, B, A, G, A, D. In that bar, we just need to hold the fourth note a little bit longer. That A. And then next bar, G, F sharp, G, A, G, E. So it's same as bar 1, but with a high A there instead. Next bar, D, B, G, A, G, E. I'll do that one a bit quicker. Next bar, D, G, G, F sharp, G, A. Last bar in this section, B, G, 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 and we hold that last note a little bit longer. So I'm just going to play through that section, all the bars together, nice and slow. 1, 2. So that's the A section done. We're now going to move on to the B section. Just with that A section, you'll play it twice through. It's repeated twice through. So yeah, let's move on to the B section now. So again, we're going to start with a pickup bar on this D note, fret 5. Then we have E, D, D, G, D, D. And bar 2 in this section is exactly the same. We have E, D, E, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, D. That's the next bar. So that's the fourth bar in that section. So D, C, B, A, D. And remember to hold that A, same as the A section, you're just holding that note. Then we have G, F sharp, G, A, G, E. That's the next bar. Do that one again. Okay, let's move on. Next bar. D, B, G, A, G, E. Do that one again. Then D, G, G, F sharp, G, A. Then the last bar in this section. B, G, G, G is the same as the last bar in the A section as well. So I'm going to play through this section as well. Slow play through if you want to join in. 1, 2, pick up bar. So that's the B section, and again you just play through that twice. Cool. So we've covered the A section, you repeat twice, B section, you play through twice, and that is the entire tune. So I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have, please do smash that like and subscribe. Again, if you're interested in one-to-one, there'll be a link in the description. Head on over to the website. Hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you again in the next one.